Hey, thanks for checking out my video. Today we're going to make a brookie, and if you've never heard of a brookie, it's a combination of a brownie and a cookie. And you can make your cookie dough homemade, you can make your brownie batter homemade, but today I'm in a big hurry, so I'm just going to do it the shortcut way. I'm going to use some ready-made chocolate chip cookie dough, and I'm going to use a brownie mix, and it'll still be delicious. You know, it'd probably be a little better if I made everything from scratch, but like I said, I'm in a hurry. And not everybody likes to do everything totally from scratch. So we're going to do this the easy way today. So I've got 2 eggs here in my bowl. I'm going to go ahead and throw my brownie mix in here. I've got a 1/2 cup of oil. I'm using vegetable oil. You could use avocado oil. You could use a light flavored olive oil. You could use canola oil. And I've got 2 tablespoons of water here. Mix this up good. Okay, I've got a 9x13 pan here. I've put some parchment sheets in here so that I have like a sling so that I can lift the brookies out real easy when they're cooled off. And I sprayed each end with some cooking spray. So we're going to go ahead and put our batter in here. And we're going to spread it out. Okay, so now we're going to take our cookie dough and we're just going to break it into smaller pieces and just drop it on there like that. So easy and quick. Super tasty. Okay, so that ended up taking all but 5 cookies worth of the ready-made cookie dough. It was a 16-ounce package. So now I'm just going to give them all a little shove. Just make sure that they get down there into the batter. Okay, so I'm going to put the foil on them. I'm going to put them in the oven for 20 minutes with the foil on, and then I'm going to take the foil off and bake them for another 15 or 20 minutes. We'll see how long it takes. Okay, our brookies are out of the oven and I let them cool, and the sling parchment paper always does a great job. I just pulled it right out of there and took the parchment paper off, and now I've got a nice rectangle here to work with. And what I always do is usually I cut it in half. I took this big knife and I sprayed it with Pam for starters. So when you get 2 halves, you can decide whether you want to cut it into thirds and have kind of bigger ones, or if you wanted kind of small pieces, you could cut it in half again and then in half again. But I think I'm going to go thirds. I'm going to go there and there. Now if your knife starts getting fudgy stuff on it, then just like take a spatula and scrape it off like this. Mine isn't too bad though, but that's when you start tearing the brownies, is when your knife catches on everything. So you want to keep a clean knife. So then we're going to go in half of this way. And in half again. Okay, there we go. I'm gonna give one a try. really good. I think you're going to like these. And like I said before, if you want to make your batter homemade, it'd probably be even better, but pretty good just like this. Super easy and quick. And I hope you enjoyed the video. If you make them, leave me a comment and let me know how they turned out for you. Thanks for checking out my video, and I hope to see you again soon. Take care.